What makes this sound in League of Legends? Part 24. Comment your answer below to lock it in. That was Brahms R. Glacial Fisher. Follow, like, and share with your League friends. See you tomorrow.